Hey everybody, in this video I am going to be listing 5 of the best ways to make money during quarantine. So many people are out of jobs right now and so many people are just sitting at home during this time. But with these ways that I am about to share with you, you'll have a way to make money and you'll be able to do something while you're at home. But before we get into this video, be sure to smash the like button down below until it turns blue, because the YouTube algorithm would absolutely love that. Also, if you would like to see weekly videos on finance, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm actually working on a video of the top stocks to invest in right now, so if you would love to see that, then be sure to subscribe. But anyway, let's get into the video. In at number 1, we have completing surveys online to earn cash. And there are a variety of different websites that offer this, with Amazon Mechanical Turk and Survey Junkie being 2 very good ones. All you have to do is complete surveys that you qualify for, and then you will earn a small amount of money. This is especially good if you're already sitting at home bored and you have nothing else to do. So if you just sit there doing surveys for around 2 hours every day, then you can earn up to $50 a week, which I know isn't a lot of money, but at least it's something. Up next, at number 2, is investing your money into stocks. And this is a very easy way to generate money during this quarantine, either by having the stocks you invested in go up in value and earning money that way, or through stock dividends. This is extremely easy to do, and you can even do it with apps. The app called Stash is a very good one, and you can even start investing on it with as little as $1. They do this by letting you buy fractional shares. So instead of buying an entire share of Amazon, for example, you can buy just a small fraction of one share that is only worth $1. Plus, right now, Stash is giving you a free $5 as soon as you make your first investment. So why not download Stash and start investing today? So for number 3, we have delivering food and groceries. And there are a lot of platforms that allow you to do this, such as Grubhub or Postmates. Now, I know the whole reason of this quarantine is to stay inside and away from others so that you can keep yourself and them safe. But these platforms are now offering a new no-contact delivery service to prevent the spread of the virus. So you'll be able to get out of the house and into your local area while delivering food to people safely and earning money at the exact same time. It's a win-win for everybody. You will also have the benefit of being able to collect tips on your deliveries, which at this point will probably be a little bit higher because of the increased risk of being outside. Except you won't really be at an increased risk since you won't really be making contact with other people. Up next at number 4, we have actually getting a part-time job at some of the places that are still open. This could include grocery stores or pharmacies. And this way is a bit more risky, but you will get paid a lot more compared to some of the other ways that I have already listed. Plus, you will get paid on a regular basis with a set amount of income. This would also be a good way to help your community because everybody is still going to need these essential items, except you can be there to help them get it. Now, it would still obviously be best to continue following social distancing guidelines and continue to wear a mask so that you can keep yourself and others safe. So if you are going to go with this option, then be sure to do that. So my last way to make money during this quarantine at number 5 is to clean up your house or apartment, and you will definitely be surprised with what you find. They say one man's trash is another man's treasure. So whatever you find that you don't have a use for anymore, or that you just don't want anymore, you can sell it. And depending on what you find, it could sell for a good amount of money. And it might have a lot of people that are interested in buying it, so it could sell very quickly. This also comes with the added benefit of being a very safe way to make money. Plus, your entire house will be cleaned. Every single one of those ways that I just shared with you are a great way to make money during this quarantine. Some are more safe than others, but there are some that make more money than others, but they all work. So, if you liked this video and thought it was helpful, then be sure to hit the like button down below. The YouTube algorithm would absolutely love that. Also, if you would like to see weekly videos on finance, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day.